na maye onyame adom ene ne homobro na ayeme esa memo akwaba eba dwumadie so babia wo bia ne babia wo tibia ne kura wo so ene o ma na ebusua no hote se de media megiri yese onyame a ohwe Israel so no onyame a ohwe Ghana so no onyame a ohwe Africa so no ono a ne gusu a ohwe yanso na obegusu anso aboye ho ban wo America no ahwe nso so wo Ghana no ahwe nso so wo Europe no ahwe nso so wo Asia na ahwe nso wo all Africa continent begiri yese de ohwe yeso nya dia utonko na oda and I pay May Owusu-Ansah and Odifo ba Agnes Sasu and Foriata Yinina Wahano say yes somo Begiri se when ya sono be brave the whole day and the whole night and Begiri se 1 year se wutie yen keke na watotona ayampia ne momuti na ode abobra guten morgen vigate dear gute danke grazie prego pronto come sta le bene se guten morgen be sure so when me say nyame ya Adom Ahengua honkonkron hwiegu eda ye Christopher bebrade a ehia ye na ya dipa ene ye japade no ye nheda ma ya dwene nkoso but as I say we hear me from Ohio Columbus Deba wampa ene yenyina kosoa de ho ahye nyame tiasefo nsa da bia meka na se Senia emra ye wo mono nye emra ya ho gruntina wo sori ana wabomodna na wahohoro wonsa wadware awie kura na sa hohoro nsa na sa sanitizer bi ye wonsa so pa sanitizer de ya metimi ahye nkran na matimi aka abodawro e de akire se me wo bibi e frɛ ne cento ye patos for na womo eye cento aya sanitizer ya ye no Ghana ha ya eninhwamo kura wo bomode na fa telephone na frɛ womo a womo de menye so mo to ama wo keke wankasa umpo din ho hia wonom eye patos IB womo ye cento yi ombetumi aba wadwuma na woma ba ye ahohoro hodnom disinfection ewo more ne offices ne school mu de bigiri ese ensore ba bibie kura mpo no a ya de a ye betumi aka to wose aban be hyeda aka na asore no ankasa nso so kura na yakeka to ya wose ye bomodin na ye prapra ye nsore dem na ye spray ho de be ya de boni ya de how ya wotete ya ababeto wiase afa na nyina ama America fo kura nya mutwabre nipa kwa ye wu je say ye almost 100,000 human beings ya no kurepa de abusua sindi papa 100,000 human beings pa ewudie enya de bia eda form sa Spain, Brazil, Mexico, Italy omo to so sa Britain to so sa Balenunti na patos AI before so aye centos so dia mayen entra ho mabi nya wansa entra ho masa yare emeche wansa babo modna wo ye de ofie utimi ye bia no a meme ye Owusu-Ansah de onyame nim kura se me sori a anopa homache na mepunu ene mepunu ansa na me de yina se dware I know the memfe ni agro ye na nanom sa na no wo ye enti me bomodna epunu bia na anajo nso mepunu bia mepunu bi de mi punu no nim sa abrochire ko America omo ton dollars ketu abi omo chichire ketu abi ko Holland ne Germany omo chichire ne ketu abi no omo ton ton of dollars ni euro. Idea is kwa ho. Nyame wa hye da hira ye ni o. And some of your friends say Nimtree oh. Nimtree. Jai. Ipuna Germany ubeto. Holland ubeto. America ubeto. Italy ubeto. Now try kitu ebe se robem come dey ajo $20. Adanu krobi say $30. Hey. Roma esisikwa ho. Esisikwa ho na wabubu no ahohoro ho a gron kakra bi na fe no wanu ansuo hie na odi agum wapunu manko mu na steam no enko mu the tawo kakraka bi butu so na ohim na fifra tewa manento ya no etewa eboaw na wie so na onya ye friends central ibi de afifa wonsa ho a it is very helpful. Obetimi enya womo central ibi ewo goil filling station bi abedru bi aye goil bi anu wagina so me pa cho me percento. Open the door to a 054-111-0136.
If you know Jesus is passing, I want you to arise up.
054-111-0136. Bonjour. Ça va bien. Et tout. You got it for one way there. All right, Mate. Abenken kan we na yenyina so emo yempaye na yemfa ye ho ne yabusua enhye nyame asefo nsa na eba se enkrofokuo no kire no sese wo betie nyankopon asem no na ogina Nazareth tade eno ho na ohunu akoduo mbienu se esisi otade no ho na apofofo no afrimu ekohohoro wonom asewu no eno koduo no ba ko a Simon dianum esre no se ontwemfiri efom kakra ontwemfam efom kakra na otena ase no ofiri koduo no mu ekyerɛkyerɛ enkrofukuo akuo eno ena ojai kasano okyerɛkyerɛ ya no ojai kasano na ojai kasano kachire Simon se fedi adru so makasa kire the masses makasa kire edom no efedi wo no adru so na okachire no se sane ekodie ehodo na munkogu mu asewuyi enyi enam wankase gu asewu no keke gu asewu no neji enam se yesu nyamma wo instruction the outcome is productivity, increase, and awesome blessings. Yesu kawie ya pe wasi gu asew no na munyinam. Ko betima ka tense ko gu asew no hwe, but wasi gu asew no na munyinam. Mungu asew no na munyinam. Na oye wasi fa wo net no na gu asew no. Ebia na wo net na yira. Ebia wo ye adwuma anye yi ntide ama wo net no watoagu. You have thrown it away. You don't need the net anymore. Ye nyina brabo na tobre bi ade bi a wo de ye adwuma na se ohunu se emfa bibi mbre wa na opese fe no utugu wani da so asa wani da so nyina yira. All your hope is diminished. When it does when you every one sem, many bear my yatana me huno way. Many will bear yatana me huno way. My shami maya sha me huno way. My buangrofua bua me huno way. By years to say, what would the esseuno, would the aye juma, the kudona ye juma. Men sumi ba ye, media baba ye juma yen sumunya me moka. Yanom, the catcher or juada say yen sumunya me moka. Nyame nyusu obi emane mama ye osresrefo nyame omfa wonye adwuma no abaye osresrefo no abaye kwase ampanyini no abaye osansani se tobire bi na ate se ased ne yamampo ya ko atia wo a sabra ne nchen ene ukuya day mesho nkran come to him so odo ye adwuma wi a osan ehye wonimonyam ene ya me no kasai obi animonyam hyebre ene obi animonyam hyebre menim wonia nanso ne ye ukuada yi de na menyina so nka nkyere wo se ene ye obi animonyam hyebre o yensu ne wie no ka se owura fa wasew ne fe wodi ye gu asew no kako baabi a hodo okoduo no ejina ano ha ya bakako baabi a hodo ba se wonya nuru baabi a hodo a ento asew no asew no se wonuru baabi a hodo a empebebre ye to ya sew no aimlessly asew no de ye to nanso ya ne ye to a ye to no aimlessly ye ni target ye ni bibi gina ye ni so eto ka kire ne se asew no de mema wato ba je se koduo no kakọ achiri kakọ baabi a ehodo na no si ya penchichimu a eye enum Lucas sempa etiri a eye enum chichimu eye enum na Simon bua se owura ya ye adwuma anadwo yi nyina nya se ya akwadwofo ya ye adwuma miwura mabobre o ewo Britain ewo Germany ewo Holland ewo Finland ewo Switzerland ewo Dubai mabobre ankasa nenso bra maboyi nyina da bibi entumi empie afrim Peter Obama na ekasa wo nye oba sekoye oba de bekas emba akra de mo pekasa dodo ena mo pekasa dodo we de bema ebobra bema wo bobra kire Yesu owura winim sani afi we niema ko atua yen Yesu se meka kire wo se wo de atwekodo no ko wanim kakra na wasewu no a wo de yi nam no to se wan twia anko wanim na se wo to a ano ha ya no nya hwe ma kire wo de o se wo ye ene wo kua dai empire ye bebo ama wo no memma kwadworo enso mu ka there is a tendency say Peter be ma kwadworo ayeyere no ya bre mabobra bre makasa akira abofra no mabre e sign de ye kire ntene ya amene nkrofo di nkomo a ya na metie won metie awofo re bebre akoda we die makasa sa na makasa sa babre woni bi sade e besi abra kwada yi ho a ampa wo wura bi se mabre wo ma wade ho osofo bi utie bi se wachime fidie na ketekete woni pese wachime ne kase wo se wabre aware fie se ni awabre na se si anu wabre na wo momadi mu 20 30 40 so nya dai ankasa akura so woni obate eda ba ko na se andro video bi amehwe woni obate ba ko be se ya ye ho ye mema ukuro mrewu because yete da ba ko opieto sensen ho opieto nyina sensen be ma de hwesa wabre wo bodies sensen ho size small size kasia bibia be ma no wabre ya kura ho kakra se ya didi aba ya tifie wo didi sa why ya potom be ma na bebre bra wo so wo yire kura hwe wafupu a wafu se de e boba ne se wo ba wonyem no a oba no wo breba wo bre Eka be maybe afedi ne yire nim was one on so wasem no welcome bia you have come to a point of being tired mabra enkobobo kuna mabra enti Peter bema de enkiyesi bema ensinsuman san waham ba we die wasima ham mabre obobra no na wakachire ze enokura wa bread na nso me se kwa animu kakra anope ma me show bi nkrai kwa animu kakra Kwadim kakra okọ na nim kakra no o se miwura ya bread ya ye adwuma na dwunyina ye nya hwe me ba me dwene sa se na me se wo somwa na wonya hwe ya to brebi a well to me say wo som papa wo som papa the whole man hwe mai the whole week hwe mai the whole year hwe mai we ye nipa me no ya adwene we ye nipa ma ye adwuma de bia me kwa adwuma me hwe ma ti so for me de koye dan. It is very true. But owura ne kan say ya ye adwuma na dwe nyina ye nya hwe na enso so wenum asemunti maame odi for ba obebon pa ya ma ye nyina ansa na yakoye ne
owura yeda wasi anopa enso
ampa
ye hu ne yenka ye hu ne yensie
ye kana say
ene wasema wodi afa wako aso de amayen
ye kana say
ebura dwene ntiase so
ye kana say you right
onyame hohon kronkron ena anopa yeda wasi
ye kana say
awade yentie nimpa ana yentie wasafa owurade owura yebetie hohon kronkron yebetie etwase yetie wo muna dan kwawo wona wo pagya nimpa wona oye nimpa yiye ente awurade yede ye wura ehye wo otiasefo nyankopon mu awurade nia ne wura ho nia na ni da so yina asa no hu ba bi onko awurade na mi gire wanum asem so me kasa kire ne se eni da so ni asafa awurade eni da so wo ho eni da so ho ente sorry na ko wanim na ko fa nkunim die
ya gora
wo hu ba bi a wo fa me kasa kire wo se sorry
ya raba
awurade afa ya papa so ne ye kasa sorry entsena ho Peter entsena ho mra asam ne bae no sorry ko nanim enti wa wani da so asa enam gina Yesu Kristo dimo e kasa jose sorry na ne da so wo Yesu mu eni da so wo Kristo mu awurade na ye ne pa yiye emra wadwe wo bibia asa wo ba bia wo mfa Kristo ho Brewrade nchen. Awurade kasa tro na tie no. Na wotie no a bibia be wie. Na nkunim de ba ye dia. Baba me na wase.
Ado shada makasanda ba ye gaba sonta baka sabahando shiga aye juma na dwi nyina mabre. Who has given up? One age brenum papa sofu winim said ye corona mi a shede mo brenwa ya bre winim nipa dodo asese o mo kasa ya bre se nyame amwampo na nyame wa mie ye ntem no wa ma yade ya nkontem a asofu mu beja asofu dwuma dooso o beja yo yebeko na yene Krista kasa osofu ba yenuaba Krista oyo chirechirefo a ochire mrantie ne maba wane mre wane nkokora de oye dean of students ewo university a ewa Ashanti region enti ye fana dwene ba komieno de ka ya brabon se ebra ye wo mu wo mo mabre awofo abre amedifo oye obatan wunim se ne yete wo bra no abre to bre bi ahwe nkora no wo mo kosa mabre nkorai mabre ufura takura ne menu nduru ba bi wan hwe ya wo bebre wo bebre na nkora nsusu de wo nkora yese nsia university for miensa wo muguso ena se wo fie a wo se wo to internet wo se wo ye ko me wi afi ena se wo musifie abusua wan hwe ya wo bebre wa hwe wo be school na koduru bebe wan hwe ya wo bebre eti eba ne sa adie na sese wo ye yeni nkomo adwa mache
papa eja
o mo ite se de
papa pacho me hoye
o ma de hoye Yesu adago
pacho bi a hoye
Ashanti region oboko de
na me Adom boko
we students don emrewane nkokora because minim say mo no mo handle what the grown ups na the mo twetwe nkomo o mo mra yede
papa o ma bre o so ye show mu kran especially o mu anka we so mu wie me no Because your final years now, think by 3rd May. Now, my views.
Any apa home?
Apart from the
Yeah.
you know, a bit frustrating, but you show moon crying.
Wow.
Um,
And also, we May.
3rd May.
3rd May.
3rd. There's the first week of May. No,
And they say, Madam, what is students?
when I'm home to say students, we need a choir, because we need time will be.
Jesus, boy.
We need an international students in Zoom.
Jesus, boy.
So
So international students, what are they doing? Because almost kasem, almost DDA, almost dabrim.
and SRC and other classmates near they no more coming up to do something.
More coming out.
There be a dear Costra Dada. Say, a batches, the same when I'm
Okay.
a besantem,
Okay.
you know. Almost call the batches. And yet easy, ma.
And yet easy.
It's not easy. Or no, I want to mean Kony Crew, Mr. Casper.
Wow.
And also, lockdown, no Friday, not a hard drink for us. We seem to be a restrictions, you know. Yeah.
Right. Some and yama we no ya yenta embie so nka enti amanfo dwene sase bibia ye pa mankrofo but students are no more ha wo mo so mo international students na just mo akire wo mo papa
because also no we share ni by now they will be 3rd May no anka wo
kodi krum
for the comfort of his or her home but now no.
Wow.
I start.
Now, so Yanzumana in and out of Kakra. It is I will force so Omutia school fees or my school fees are be permanent. Who feels say one more dream, one more sick because we'll be invested on a bemwa. We're expecting Senka by this time, Kwadana. Now, one more sound fears so boy, someone sound for camera and I Yenshia dear will Zoom, Yenshia dear Google Classroom and also swear.
Papa, and easy. This time I a woman, and I'm say your parenting skills for Kradiaba, any level of tolerance, and put a woofy because any easy. Maybe another make us say SHS 3-4. Me picture uncle, let me show you, we say, be with me fee. Who show you, and it's quite sudden. Or no, dear, what here now, or say, me train 2nd June back. Now my graduate with me three. Papa, we ne papa ni. 2nd June, I graduate with me three. Or no, so I want children, so we be.
Sir, 2nd June, on back graduate with him.
I said, I come graduate, officially, no, graduate.
Yeah.
Papa, everybody on Colana, yesterday, let's start school near we. And a mental challenge.
But when you say baby to say Germany say no, 1 more year and also na German and Nkrofu and nipe we kakra and omo de no kra call soropa. But as I speak and me maka ho. Woma tre exams, woma na nkomo be move on na nkede ma ne. Woma am blind so woma mankora na ko school akwa tre exams. So, me matu and woma tre enra asat enra woma tre woma de enti yen die you know how are we going to manage it
say exams no enye SSC no West Africa I think say so if we want to manage it there we might have to maybe this year no go back to the old system which was the SEC exams na Ghana and Kata conduct the first batches and some no more join the West Africa.
Okay.
Because they say you can't say Mumudi SHS 3-4 no day. You know that somehow no is intertwined with the West African Examination Council. So just some of the timetable no eba out. Almost time my different and Sankra may be Ankola and say no. The timetable number and Kola say almost learn in respect of a timetable. It is my final years no qua. Let's say we need in Asubia, which is the timetable now. It is still the same thing say we need say or cultural and answer on tro. and they are confused when you engage them. I have more than 50 of them that I engage them on daily basis. When you engage them, you realize they are confused. One person says, "Na mama, university yebekobini." So look at how it is dragging. Because Obia onu nimu say and we June 2nd June we school. So all things being equal, no, they are August, September, or call any tertiary institution of his or her choice.
Okay.
Now the person is stuck in the house. They say, Omokrano, who will be sa fear, Omo management, no cry, aye, yakra change, and quadanketing.
A honey can be baby sounds, sa group, no, sa group, on say. Ye kroma ye ni 16 bia ye di enu omo bon komo bebre sa enti wo yo maami ana papa ana wo ye guardian. How do you manage say na obisi so san kwada bi wo ye sofo a san kwada because me say ma sorry ma wo mo ba twere nyina wa no ma ma sando papa is God going to let us continue our education? What can say nyame be yes 3 months. And so how do we say a quite bad so buayen?
Papa say we are in crisis and we are in a storm. And the at the Cassia Papa you bet to me aye ama san kolane say ye be bua mama stay positive. And we can only do that through encouragement. And what say your words no around them no positive. Ye show woman crying. Ye mumu say encourage school no dey wobeko. Who said they say because and Kolana bet and we are frustrated into sometimes we are forcing them and the moon to be quite honest with you. These kids cannot learn 24/7 in their house. Because even the motivation to learn is not there. There is nothing like they don't even know when they are going back. Into management, there awufobi awuwo bi ewu fie no. There will be a method. We should inquire kakra. Inquire no we should no say there be abofra be stay positive. Obehu say because I keep telling them say exams na dia mobile. But ye ni mra mobile no.
Okay.
Le san into ento adwene ni mu kura.
Okay.
At least get an hour. The win to more than an hour. Your timetable with 4, with 8 subjects or 7 subjects now we know. The core any electives for timetable at home. Now dear, win to me an hour each day 7 days. It is a way 8 maybe a day be over more than a subject. But 7 days. Be determined because the betting I can't say with your timetable with the for 1 hour out of the 24 hours use just an hour to learn a subject. They say so you have access to my phones now, parents, young farmers. What we need access to one phone who bet to me adjust one parents and so phone. More WhatsApp groups, meaning some banner saying in the class and WhatsApp group. You can create a timer, mobile discussions on the subject. This will help you people to stay insane. Insanity.
Okay.
And ebema makakai enormity.
Sa ban so yes or my school or TV so the amawomo.
Why yet school na momo. You know so but say school no. I moment a general.
Okay.
Obia baby or then a syllabus SC.
Okay.
And aside a bind more class WhatsApp page, or the Telegram page. Those of them that can also do the Zoom, is also welcome. And a year then a class biano, you won't for knowledgeable in a particular subject. So get them as tutors. Sometimes we the teachers are also willing to come on board.
Okay.
With WhatsApp group in Tibia say math. Now math papa ne kasa and now obane kasa na or say obetumia. Within that now more creating more than never swa. Then more question for now more person or solve no. solve. Now, because these are the practical ways we can help you. Otherwise, helping no difficult. And now we use social media, kakra. Young cassette, your parents even made you food. Papa, mommy, and now Eja. This is not the time for threat. This is the time for encouragement and motivation.
No, can it be you? Because as I say on crying, you knew all my dream. You knew all my come. You knew the omu come. It is so bad time. The senior said the beya men threat ya kwaran sana apasochre.
Me patron because Papa baby omo one is a difficult period. Put yourself in their shoes. Me be serving hostel and can me what secondary school na me bet your O level no. And na bibi say by me ma me bet ya and can me ma do me den. When you are able to even answer that question, you be empathize. Empathy. Yakasa all the one who she will be more. Who she is empathy. You try to feel the way akwadadi be feel. And the enya tiantia, enya dede ye, and a magic phone what ya they say the air can discussion or WhatsApp so akwalane be den waye. Obia niwa or pesa sebe neba echia. Emofa no so wo ma dwene. Emofa no so wo omu susu ye. Emofa no so ewo ni omu Adom Ahengua say mami at the school ni nkobi me hu say my classmates we also me ton ade we also me yeso bolo. You see, so some of the children are being useful for themselves.
Wow.
At this time now we feel and it said the warrior or the entrepreneurship akana de hono na wo so encourage no ama na sua ade adesua ne de the way you sua ade wontimi nhia akola kete say chenchina akokai book afame so obefa book one kind and to let the child understand the responsibility some men some koda no more SHS they are teens. And rearing a teenager is different from the normal kid. We no per dialogue or per se winning ninya in kitahudi. Now or trust now also so they will support a man.
But I say adwa ye entity mono dialogue no ye nim se ne ye se me gi akwada na dwene kakra na akwada na ka na dwene no osusu na dwene no ye nse de nim tenase da Gina ho.
Enti papa e wasi esua say sa akwada ni sha na ondru ni teens no aye friend adolescent na tenase da no e ya wo mon question wo tenase no wada but SHS for na wo mu wo si ha ne de tenase da na ma gi wo phone e na ma yese no de enye adwuma wo enye adwuma enti no if you don't deal wisdom with wisdom and knowledge according to their level there be an uno benya friction nti aye pay omo na ya no mo kasa huja omo ntano and now they be an answer mu impose and it is true they have their mindset yes wa be fie woni mi say we your third year student. That's one. Every parent shouldn't lose sight of the fact that Obana or SHS trainer and Kawatro was in Uncle Baby June. Quadabia, you are winning so Form 3. A year to catch them. And our Form 3, and I'm so Shandia, as I'm to Koya, will very a negative word. On Timini.
Oh, I see.
And then pet and what the Tiffy. Okay. A BB and to manage the person with positive words and encouragement. Motivate them.
A bit clear message, a bit WhatsApp, a bit so clear our Facebook pass, a nye easy man quadano, abruchili crampono, ubi send a message to my WhatsApp, say, even in Germany, no, a nye easy, ubi so clear BBC from Austria, or say a nye easy man quadano, and quadano, or my dream air touch it. It is a way yama me and na papa or dim crunch. Eba a man quadano was psychological effect to be a benya.
Papa, I am telling you because I am also seriously managing 1 year. I am seriously managing 1 year. Now we are no so no pay free them. No we better say now we share anymore. Hey, they are saying, sister, they are saying, Nani, you did this school year because I'm the mother school mobile. But Nimirimuno and a mobile. You see, and then they also have the fear. Okay, no, my back, they say no, COVID, no, Ghana, they are not so, into your friends say you go school, junior, you're there, I'm saying mobile precautionary measures, you're the baby appointment. Papa, it is not easy for them. Intimate stress our phone. What final year students, especially the SHS final students, show women crying, encourage them, don't discourage them. Phone they are better so, and they mean can because on a more serious note, they don't have anything doing. The child cannot learn 24 hours. 24 now, what they are no, what the better photo, what they are selfie, you see be the TikTok or what costo.
Okay.
But let the child learn the sense of responsibility by him or herself.
Okay, into all my it's my man as a social in Kran say, would you have a picture kakra? Ya was sapo kakra, ya ko Facebook kakra.
So, to me say, oh, I'm a question about TV kakra.
Okay.
Into TV now, near your discussion.
Ya mo ludi kakra. Say ye mo ludi kakra so ka.
Bia na apie ni akobo ludi kakra. Ebi o kwa na apie ni akosresre kakra. Because we need fresh air. Ne bia ye nko ba bia na atu ka ne say ne ye nyina ye nko dwuma. They say the other so me fie no. Ye nyina ye obi ko dwuma ye nyina ye ko di akiri. We want the fresh air because no otimika June na so the 2nd June ye nyina ye be graduate ye be stressful. Just to keep the person happy. But then you remind the person say you still have to go to the university. So we have filled your form. So anticipate. And you can only anticipate when you learn. Until there, women now be back at your no tell back at say, hey, mammy, now we say 9 p.m. me group we had discussion. And we are so bet not a course or more discussion. At least find a way of confirming what they are doing.
Obaba send a message from Hamburg. Or say, me man, wa shefia wins will pay ya no TM or head that TM because wa shed them wa enti say be a one man or say woman one cycle no papa no one cycle ho a wo be ma kora time we bedru so mum pie no na te say akokwa yebu ano. Ubu akokwa ne duru time wa isu wo mpia fence akokwa no aye cheko.
Oh yes, and Papa, we the parents are frustrating the kids. I'm telling you, those that are in the 3rd year, say ye fear no, ye ntimi manage ye fear. We are not handling our fears and our emotions well. And you ask your so would you say when she had would you say can the child learn 24/7? It is not done. Until me. And a fear environment is even more stressful. A democracy and more banoma for Mubu Sama.
Ampa. Send no some more backo.
Papa Mena me catch it. Oh,
some more backo. And see that.
Papa, oh, be mad egu school. Na oka na parents say, na wo so na winim say na akola no winim di en. Did it say holy child for nkola no mo wo me term. And ye ka say Omuko school, Dana, and Saka so one time refi. And Colastem will be Johnny provisions bata, will be one fan fee, and was not done in any cool fee. A Democrat party money ye because they felt to say, Umbeko is here. And this is the time, and nanum a janum, nananum, Miss Remo, this is the time I was say, ye 3rd years, ye show woman crime. Woman psycho mental health no na woman who say yes a way a challenge no and so omu be free me yentimi nchire ye ma how to handle challenges no. This was the time I was say chire womu no musua say life no unya bibia straight
na yen cancer na yen sempa na wunim ball bokura na wunim ampe ya wunim sene ye boss skipping na no ahyeda no afa momra me mo skipping wa
mo bota wunti mi nya no mba stress o sta na omokura no ma ye believe any story a chechi ye be chechi o sta
no mo say for wa pampam eno say ba ko de mensa for ma pampam wutiri nwi na fu no ahyeda gro ma pampam no de ya agro agro odi agro mapam
but papa ebe yo nwa say wo die emofra itimi ne wuje efie bi mo no wo mu ntimi nye bi
yeah
enti it is killing them. Please,
oh yeah
parents losing up. Why you change relax why na wo ban so na wo so ni di agro why you change do relax e wo man ho na wo man ntimi approach you no mu ntimi ni wuni agro because this time no mu so hia wo sanity say the wo so hia wo sanity no we bi a wutimi kwa adwuma mtu kwa adwuma ne nto for stress aha no so maybe a daddy bo mami bo no obi agane ko shede please change your way oba o mo dwane ko akodem ko chichi o mu na fo mo bet now. For the first time, do something unusual. Allow the kids to come near you.
Do something. Do something
unusual.
Unusual. Which are the things unusual things, Libby? Oh, because and Kurano, me say me passion, makume nyina yen kwadano, ene mama ne papa, yen tia money yen kikemo. So something unusual. How do we do it, Joa?
Something unusual, let's say, a be a wukra as a father or as a mother. Woman fee en hage wo makra da.
Okay.
Mr. Womo say, oh, how was the day?
Okay.
Something unusual in your house. So do it. Break the ice. For the first time, Ukofia embrace, we hug them. We money womo losing up around them because you move your wa boss so semna ye de ti adwuma na no an ye de be fi.
Ejawajo. Ejawajo kan bio. Sa boss semno
na ye de ti adwuma na no an ye de be wura fi o. Hey, sorry. When you are coming home, you are either a father or a mother. Remove boss manager and some go abonten o. Na bra na losing up na ne mofra ni ni agro. Enkola bebre was a fie ni mu a o mu crevi say o mu so betimi no mu parents e di nkomo adi agro. Sometimes o mu twa family picture I say no be I step because ho no yentimi nkoye ma me ne papa nchen. They are also suffering mentally.
Adwa obi bisa se ankura no so no wo de niam nyina esiso ade no so wonsua eno so menya den me single mother me kunu ni ha en wo ka se o be ma no kura me kasa nkyira me nkoa makasa afi me nso ho se me kan nyina maka mapem
che papa study sichire se wo hete akola me negative behavior bebrea akodano who the essence of correcting it. Edu be dey so for me
adwa sakabio
me say so wo hete abofra the negative behavior bebrea
ne mmereye
bebrea
wo kan negative no ma aminfo bi wa won ntia ase
okay ne mmereye bebrea akora no wo pa aba wo no abofra no ne ho enti no ono abofra no be hunu say bibi papa bi akora ntimi firi ne mu mma so dey say a wusi wo nhia de nti wo hia ye den enti ya kasa kakra ye nyai
okay
yes ewo mu say ye ni etua sika ne de but papa edu ba bi a ye mfa ye ni enhwe de ye frɛ no mmerɛyo no in quote ye mfa ye ni enhwe bi kakra
adwo bi ya the whole 24 hours cause of the obonkomo I'm telling you because benim bi e man bi kasa na bi on ne ma hey coffee me catch you say me kasa I'm so Mr. wa lanzam ya lanzam debi and adie na maka akura na mabre akura we die me nya ya be de be kwa kwatira Ghana
because of that we label akola na dada
okay
and so we label ba you give up on the child.
So don't label your child.
We label akola na papa you can't help the person but parents who do not from childhood to adulthood until so obanu be nyini na ebikura waware afiri won stem no you cannot give up on the child. We give up on the children so easy, especially when we see emreyo na enipa bia so wo mreyo
okay
na mabrɛ no nyina kyerɛ sɛ wabrɛ akora na akasa kora nim sɛ wabrɛ no nti ɔno kora na hu hia so ɔbɛyɛ bibi positive enti edru baabi a enkola no adeɛ baako pɛ na wɔyɛ ne yie no yɛmmɔ hɔ ɛyɛ studies a psychology for ayɛ bɔ hɔ saa sɛ sɛ deɛ tofoɔ ebo na so tantan no
adeɛ baako a wɔyɛ ya wɔyɛ adeɛ no bɔ hɔ saa wɔ ho
fa no saa na bɔ hɔ saa
wɔyɛ adeɛ dodo
ama no ahye pimmerɛ yo no
me professor wɔyɛ adeɛ doctor wɔyɛ adeɛ
papa yentumi
yenim yɛ
be a negative because obi a person say and we win him ntia obi anim oba one na win him oba but I am telling you say when na wo be ma nipa nso to alebo oba obi a de enye but obi a try so obi use positive no e de akorete mreyo no papa no akorete mreyo no enti nya wo nko na wo de enye saa say SHS for no mgu fie enye wo nko wo de ne ntimi nhua de o ye nyina ye de no mu nhua de
enokre
but ye fa twan bi so said ebe o mbesua de eti me sister self ni na abetwa me kwa me ba beginam no watwa bi ye yam say na enya ye mfa buku e ye nyina hu ye nya bibi e ni ye nyina ye ko but don't dwell on them reyono especially ye mothers ye pesa adodo fathers no kwa de du ba bi o mo ya ade kakra chen but ye mothers no ye pesa ye beka negative ya aden wo ye nipa ne ko no so obesua ade ye nyina ye ko school edu ba bi ba hwe sere ya wa ha ye se ama me work ni ntumi nye na nya ye aka deadline be o mu nyina be ha ama me use ni so ahu ye ko ska ase ye lazy so ahu sa wo bre unsi e ma wo work wonye enti ye ni pasu o mo betre me sa afi la me to na me show mo
ya se wonko makofa adeɛ bi ato so na nkura no ba no se mi enura me si computer on sa I know I say are you okay
are you okay ya frame 30 minutes student omo dey but now 30 minutes me on I know after na laziness na me stress
nkura no so ka kire o so ya akwadwo
me so to ma ya akwadwo me ndini nkan de me ye
okay Adra, I'm telling you, this is very educative. This is very informative. But I also see so the whole then Nigeria say radio stations be a creative search opportunity to na ye educate young parents no ye a gentleman and nanomo ye hwe nkwada no because ye parents ye hunu we bi so that yeah hunu we bi o enti we no abeto ye no abeto ye nkwanhia ye putupru how putuhia se ye nya saa kasakire ene enkyerɛkyerɛ na ye de boy adwo nyame ya adom a ɔkyena ye besan ato aso wate
papa mpacho you
adwo ye beto aso wate
papa mpacho
adwo ye beto aso wate
papa mpacho you
akwachi kosua na fa vegetables ne ayiwo mo na fa mankoda ni wate
papa mpacho you
de omu ni bi da na mo mu ni wate
papa mpacho na sa papa bi sika na be brem you
we the mash tight corner adwa me send you bibi kakra say oh we see you see my brother see me kwa kofa news kwadwa ya ade say ade do hunu say akosa I was there be mon kobanem ye nua baby wo ma me awu a ya mama Rojan Mrs. Rose John wawu a te say yapa nramene ne bano mene ne bano ekasai imadako yama oshede
limadake
yes abusia ya ebrena so ma men sorry nko news for na ba be gina machi and wo ma